nothing left to say, and nothing you could do. There is no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep moving on, you know you'll make it through. I've suffered, I'm done waiting here for you.
Sejuk ya. Oke guys, assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Selamat pagi. Sekarang sekitar jam 4:30 subuh. Kami berkumpul tadi di sel Kamparuli Sabah. Bangga lagi tuh tadi tuh, ingat karena sampai di sel Kamparuli tadi ya. Ingat karena saya lah paling awal. Rupanya ada lagi yang paling awal. Gila. Mantap lah, kental lah abang-abang nih, gila. Apa-apapun saya slot lah pada abang nih. Oke, kalau macam mana pun kita teruskan perjalanan. Mudah-mudahan perjalanan kami ini sampai ke sana dengan keadaan selamat. Alhamdulillah, mudah-mudahan kami untuk melakukan urusan kami untuk sampai ke sana, niat kami. Oke guys, kita mungkin Anda sudah pernah pergi ke sana di Tawai Rainforest. Oke guys, kita lihat bagaimana keindahan suasana di Tawai Rainforest. Oke, kita teruskan perjalanan. Assalamualaikum. Salam sejahtera.
inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Ya guys, sebenarnya kami tadi itu tengok kiri kanan saya sehingga di tempat yang tadi itu mencari sarapan pagi, tapi nampaknya semua kedai masih lagi tutup. Tapi tidak apa, kita teruskan. Mana tahu ada kedai-kedai yang restoran tepi-tepi jalan atau kedai makan di tepi jalan, mungkin kita boleh singgah. Oke guys.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean, filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad 'cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Oke guys, masya Allah, saya tidak berani komen apa-apa, tapi di sini saya berpesan kepada rider dua roda maupun empat roda, jalan menuju ke Telupit ini kena berhati-hatilah. Jalan dia banyak lubang, boleh membahayakan. Jadi kepada rider-rider ataupun dua roda ataupun empat roda, saya berpesan berhati-hati di jalan ini. Oke guys. Oke, pusing punya tayar. Kami tidak rasa sudah guys. Kami sudah sampai di Pekan Telupit. Alhamdulillah, masya Allah.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Oke guys, assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Oke, sekarang kami baru sampai di Tawai Rainforest. Daripada Pekan Telupit tadi menuju ke Jalan Tongot kurang lebih dalam 5 km. Oke guys, kita tengok apa yang menarik di dalam Tawai Rainforest ini. Oke guys, bye. Oke guys, kami sekarang berada di Tawai, Telupit, Sabah, Malaysia, Borneo. Oke, siapa yang mau ingin datang kemari, berada bersama keluarga dan kawan-kawan, rider-rider, boleh datang di sini. Di sini ada dewan. Oke, ini homestay ya. Bayaran cuma RM3 sahaja. Kanak-kanak RM2.
Juga terima kasih kepada grup remaja purba klasik yang sudi datang Tawai Rainforest ini, yaitu Abang Indro dan Abang Sin. Menemani saya datang kemari untuk melihat keindahan di sini, dan tidak lupa juga kepada petugas-petugas, pegawai-pegawai di Tawai Rainforest ini jemput kami datang kemari, mengiringi kami. Terima kasih banyak-banyak Abang Awang bin Kijang. Terima kasih Bang banyak-banyak. Terima kasih banyak.
Oke guys, siapa yang berminat camping tuh di sini ada disediakan tempat bercamping site kawasan perkemahan. Wah, di sini bagus loh kan? Boleh ya.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless,
Oi,
betrayed
bestnya, Bang.
and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel
Woi,
so
smartnya
lost,
Bang.
never
Ada
at
berapa
home.
kolam nih?
Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Woi, syuk Bang. Hah? Panas ya Bang? Jangan sentuh. Kalau mau kena gatal-gatal, boleh coba. Woi, punya jernih Bang.
I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on
Iya.
till I let go. I feel so
Ada sampai
lost,
sana, Bang?
never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go.